Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I bring 5 top amazing applications for you, and all these applications you can use with your phone camera. Yes, you must be having a phone camera in your phone, but these applications you can use it with your phone camera, and these are totally amazing. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first application which I have right now, when you open this one, it will be open up like this. This is the interface which you will be getting. With this application you can able to calculate anything. Yes, you can able to calculate. Let me show you something here. I have written something here. This is the calculation which I have right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna calculate this one, and you can also do it like this. It is simply you have to take a photo of this calculation, and it will automatically calculate you and let you know what is the value of this one. Let me show you. I have just taken the photo of this calculation, and it will let me know what exactly is the results of this one. See this, it's calculating right now. Here you can see this one on the bottom, and now within a few seconds you will be getting the result of this calculation right in front of you. And if I scroll it up here, you can see this one, the result is here. See this on the bottom, these are the steps how he calculate this one, and this is the result. That's 10,099 is the result. Within a second it's give me the result. Let me try one more here. If I cancel this one here from here and I calculate this amount, this is also one of the question I have right now. Let me click a photo of this one, and it will give me the result here. With I simply I have to scroll it down, and this is the result. See this is the result which I got here on the bottom, and it also show me that how he has done that, what are the steps he has used it. So this is an amazing application for students, or if you are at a place where you have to do so many of calculation, you can use this application. Simply have to take a photo, and then it will give you the result. So try this application. Link you will be getting in the description. And the application which you are talking about, the application name is Photomath. Yes, you can download this application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application is also really amazing. When you open this one, it will also open up your phone camera. Now what exactly you can do with this, you can able to scan any of the code. Like if you buy anything for you, if you want to know that is it a genuine product or not, then you can scan it with this application, and this application will let you know if it is genuine or not. Let me show you how you can do that. Now here I have an example here. Let me give you an example. Now here you can see this one. I have a book here. Now here you can see this one. This is the book, and there is a code on this book. You see this one just under my fingers. If I take my fingers off, then it will automatically scan it. Let me show you. With this application you can come to know the product which you have bought, is it an original one or not. So I'm gonna scan this code with this phone camera, and let me show you how it will let you know about it. So here we go. Now you see this one, it is being scanned right now. This is being scanned, and on the top you can see this one. This is the book search, shop now, and the web search. If the code is not being scanned by this application, that means this is not genuine. It is not on internet as well. See this, I can click on this web search here. If I click on this web search, it will automatically let me know from where I can able to buy this book, and is it a genuine one or not. You can see this one. This is the same book which I have just scanned. So this is an amazing application which will let you know that this application and the authentication is okay and good or not. So you can try this one whenever you buy any branded products online. You can check this one from this application. And the application which I'm talking about, the name of the application is QR barcode scanner. Yes, this is the application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the third application, and the third application is also very amazing, and the application name is FlipCam video recorder. Yes, that is an amazing application. Simply click on open and open this one, and this application can help you to record the videos with your front and the back camera. Yes, right now you can see this one. My back camera is on right now, but I can simply click on this recording on the bottom, and I can able to record from the front camera as well, like this. Right now the video recording is going on. The screen recorder does not allow me to record the video from this application, but when you try this one, you can able to record it with your front and the back camera at the same time, because this facility is not available on your normal phone camera. But with this application you can record the front and the back camera at the same time. So you must try this application. Link you will be getting in the description, the Flip Camera video recorder. Now let's talk about the fourth application, and the fourth application is also really amazing. And with this application you can able to copy the text from any of the photo and from any of the screenshot as well. Let me show you. If I simply just open this application and it will be open up like this. And here if I click on this camera button, and it will be come up like this, and I have a book here. I just need to take a photo of this book like this. Simply I have to take a photo, and the moment I take a photo of any book, of any pages, anything, simply it will scan this one and it will convert all these words into the text. Let me show you. Now here we go. You can see this one. The photo is being taken now. I can click on this OK button and it will automatically extract the file which I have taken. See this? This is being done. Now I can click on this one and everything which is written in this photo, I got it here. See this? I can able to remove anything, add something in this one. I can type anything I want to do on these words. I can do it, which is not possible if you take a photo by yourself from your phone, and if you try to edit something, it is not possible normally. But with this application you can able to add it, you can able to add, you can do anything with this very easily. And not only this, you can copy the text as well. Let's suppose if I want to copy this one, and I can copy this one, I can paste it anywhere. It will be very easy with this application. Not only this, you can also do it with the screenshot as well. If you take a screenshot, let's suppose if I take a screenshot of this page here like this, what I need to do here, I just have to go back, and here I have to select this photo. I click on this photo and go to the gallery and select the same picture here. If I select this one here, I click on OK, and this will extract this photo as well. I click back again and everything is right in front of me. See this? Again I got the same content. So that means I can able to edit or add something in the photo and in the screenshot as well. So that is an amazing application. You must try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the last application, and the last application I have in my list is that is Split Camera. Yes, that is also an amazing application. You will surely like it. Simply open this application and it will be open up like this. Right now I'm gonna show you how you can able to split any of the photo, like one product photo you can make it two. Let me show you. You can see this one, there is a divider in this photo. So what I need to do, I have to take a photo from one sided first like this. This is how I have to take the photo. I click one photo here. You can see this one, I have taken the photo. Now I can take the photo of the second one. See this? In this way I can take the photo of second one. Now I got two things here, and there is a scroller. You see this one is a scroller here. Simply I have to scroll this one onto the right side, and if you see here, it looks like as it is two phone stand right now I can download this one, and then I can able to share it with anyone. Other person will think that it is two phone stand, not a single one. In the same way, you can also take your photo, your friend's photo, anyone photo, and it will looks like a double photo, not a single one. So this application is also really amazing, which comes with so many of feature. You can also do it with the front camera and the back camera as well, and one photo you can create into the two photos. So this is the application name, the Split Camera. You must try this one as well. This is a totally unique application. So all these applications are really amazing. You must try all of them. Link of these applications you will be getting in the description. Any question, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.